Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Fire Alchemy in the building. The God in me sees and knows the God in you. Out in nature, you always know where to find me. Find me out here. Why? The energy. You have sun, water, sky, high vibrations. Y'all make sure get out in nature. I don't care what you're going through. Rather you're going through things that have you down, or rather you got everything and you good, you up, you up, you up. Get out in nature. Stay up. Stay strong. The Most High got you. You stay rocking with the highest vibrational energies, y'all. All right? We got this. We always got this. We're built more than for a tuck, all right? This is a time to optimize, rise above the lies, and let your inner light shine. Yeah. All right, Fire Alchemy in the building, y'all. The God in me sees and knows the God in you. We got this. Mwah. Love you. Until later.